Nos encontramos en el CIIT Latam Congress del 2026, un congreso especializado en innovación y tecnología para minería, energía e industria. Nos acompaña en este momento Manoli Yannaghas de VoltVision del Reino Unido. Hi, Manoli, how are you?
I'm very well. How are you?
Is your first time in Peru?
Number two.
Number two.
Yes.
And number two, because you came 2 times to this kind of event?
I went to Perimin down in, where was Perimin? Yes, I went to Perimin last year.
Okay. And in this Congress, first time?
Oh yes, first time.
How is your experience?
Oh, do you know, I go to a lot of congresses and this is very well organized. I love the environment. It's a very nice place to be. And there's some very good, the speakers are so good.
Yeah.
I'm bad. They're very good. So there's a lot of really interesting subjects. I've been very impressed.
It's very technical.
Yeah, a lot of information. So
Yeah.
we've been taking a lot of notes. It's good. So.
I was curious about the core business of VoltVision.
This one.
Yes, this one. Just in the right
perfect.
place.
Yeah. So we're a team of engineers and we have developed a retrofit solution to help our clients build the right database of power usage data that they can then use to turn into information to help them run their systems better. Our experience is that most of our clients, there's a lot of data.
Yeah.
Some of it's correct data, some of it's wrong data. Sometimes there are gaps.
Yeah.
But you need to have a complete picture of what is happening with your high and medium voltage power network in order to be able to really understand, are you using power efficiently? That's what we do.
And how that whole process and data information impact the C-level decision when in terms to contact you and ask for solutions?
So what we find in many companies is the data or the information is stuck down at the operation level.
Yeah.
2 reasons. Number one, maybe they don't want it to go up. Number two, they're busy.
Or they don't understand
They don't understand. And also, a lot of the information that we deal with is coming from systems that are locked on site. You can't get the data outside of the site. Okay?
For security reason or?
Well, because the systems are designed for production, okay, not for what we do. They just do a little bit of what we do, or for power. And what they're concentrating on is controlling production. That's very security conscious. So yes, it's locked on site. So the C-suite very often cannot see what's happening. So what we do is lift that up so that the increasingly companies want to control from the center. They want to be able to understand how the operations are working so they can make decisions accurately from their offices. If you have lots of different sites, it's more efficient to have a control room in the middle. Now, Chinalco, wow. But they've invested millions to do that. The medium and even some of the tier 1 companies haven't done that. And so that's one of the things, that's what we're doing, but in power.
So you already work with Peruvian mining?
No, not yet. I want, please. No, not yet. We've only really just started to look at Peru as a market. We do a lot of work in Africa. It's different. And so we have to understand Peru better.
Yeah.
And I believe that Peru you have a lot of the data.
Yeah.
Africa, they don't. In Peru, I think you do. A lot of money's been invested in the OT. But I believe that there is a lot more that can be done with that data to make it useful or actionable for the well, for the engineering teams and for the C-suite. So for both operations and for the C-suite. So I believe that in Peru, that is where we will do a lot of work.
So the top value of VoltVision to industrial Peruvian company,
Yeah.
in short, is
Turning the data into information.
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 Yeah. Yeah. And with good information, you can take better decisions.
You can reduce costs. You can improve efficiency.
The KPIs.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. You can do so many things that you're not able to see now. So yes, as you say, you can reduce capex, you can reduce opex. It's all available if you have to know.
Yeah.
But with data you don't know, it's just data. Information you know.
And in which other Latam countries are you working with?
First Peru.
Peru. Our honor.
My honor.
My pleasure.